everybody. We're over here at the Olallie State Park today, and we're at the trailhead. The Twin Falls is what this place is called. So it's a few miles in. We're gonna go ahead and explore. It's a beautiful place, beautiful day. It's great. Happy Veterans Day. Let's take a look. Beautiful.
Salt on her lips, sea breeze in her hair. Boardwalk, backpack, bare feet, no care. Bus ticket crumpled in the front of her jeans. Chasing every shade of green she's seen in her dreams. Phone on airplane, heart on open road. Maps in her mind, sky riding the cold. From black sand beaches to the cloud line's rim. She climbs where the daylight starts to dim. She's from the Pacific coast, where the mountains meet the foam. Chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home. Rain on her face, yeah, the jungle lets her in. Nature on her mind, rainforest on her skin. She's from the Pacific coast, running down steep the foam. Chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home.
Still got a ways to go down there.
Pacific coast, where the mountains meet the foam. Chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home. Yeah, yeah. Volcanic spine, she's crawling up the back of the world. Ash on her Nikes, lava dust pearls. Breath turned heavy, but her eyes stay bright. Steam in the air like the earth takes flight. Then she drops to the valley where the vines hang low. Heavy sky bursts, warm river of a storm flow. Thunder in her chest, but her laugh comes first. She says, let it pour, I've been dying of thirst. She's on the Pacific coast, where the mountains meet the foam. Chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home. Chasing the Pacific coast, where the mountains meet the foam. Chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home. She dances in a downpour, clothes stick to a frame. Waterfall halo, calling out her name. Every drop a postcard, stamped across her soul. She don't run from the weather, she runs into the hole. Fern leaves brushing, paint across her knees. Moss like velvet, soften every step she leaves. It rains so hard that the colors feel unreal, but that's the only way she knows how to heal. She's from the Pacific coast, chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home. She's from the Pacific coast, chasing every hidden trail like it's calling her back home.
This is interesting. There's two trees in the twine. Oh, these roots. Holy moly.
When they get in the stove.
Landy Lee packs her worn out boots. The trail's calling her, no time to lose. Leaves whisper secrets, they haunt the truth. A world untamed, her heart's pursuit. Through vines so thick, she carves her way in green cathedrals. She sways, oh Mandy Lee, where the wild winds go through the rainforest dreams and the rivers flow. Volcanoes roar, mountains rise so bold, the Pacific sings, her story unfolds. with the thunder, dances in rain, chasing the waterfalls, breaking the chain. Ash on her hands from the earth's deep vein. Every step she takes, a world to gain. Under the stars, the ocean wide, she feels alive, no need to hide. Oh, Mandy Lee, where the wild winds go through the rainforest, streams and the rivers flow, volcanoes roar, mountains rise so bold, the Pacific sings her story unfolds. Her story unfolds.
When I seen this tree, I knew it had to be special. It is so huge. So afterwards, I did a little research on this tree. It's 400 to 700 years old. It's 32 feet is the circumference of this tree. Absolutely huge monster. This picture does not do it any justification at all. So I'm going to insert a couple of others that I think look pretty good. Tell me what you think. And then over so we can connect to the river. But that's quite a bit of up and down on the mountain. And some more stairs to go. And more stairs. Oh, it looks like we gotta go all the way up there. So he's up there. Alright. So here we are, just a little bit over an hour into the hike. And we still haven't reached the falls, but it looks like this is the bridge. I'm thinking. So we are getting close. We got more stairs to go up. Ooh. Stairs are so high.
She likes the rain on her face, cool drops falling, finding their place in her hair, in her hands.
bridge beyond that to the upper falls. This is like the middle, and then this is the lower. Where we started is just the river, I guess. So, let's see. We're quite a ways in. Still. So beautiful. We've been walking about an hour and 45 minutes. It's kind of rocky, you could say. Yeah, you could say it's rocky. Trees and stuff to climb over, but for the most part, the main path is clear. A couple of little logs to climb over and some rocks and roots to go over, but right there. So beautiful.
Come dance with me, Mandy Lee. Under the rain, wild and free. The rainforest calls, can you hear? Pacific whispers in your ear. Dance, dance, Mandy Lee. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Mountains high, volcanoes glow. Waterfalls where love will flow. Nature's beauty, let's explore. Every leaf, every rock. Through the trees, the world will shine. Hold my hand, your hand in mine. Dance, dance, Mandy Lee. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Mountains high, volcanoes glow. Waterfalls where love will flow. Step by step through the streams, living life, chasing dreams. Rain on our skin, hearts alive. Together we'll always thrive. Dance, dance, Mandy Lee. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Mountains high, volcanoes glow. Waterfalls where love will flow.
Looks like now we're going to be headed back down. Down the hill. There was a lot of going up and down. Whew. Starting to get dark in here. These roots. Right. Guess it's time to head out. We gotta climb back up here. Whew, got a long way ahead of us still. The sun is definitely going down, so it's only after 2, but I'm gonna put this away so I can climb, because that's, yeah, you could tell it's like quite the climb. All right. Back down to the river. See, we keep going off of the main path, like going down. There's a really good views if you go off the path and stuff, but we caught this one on the way up. Still beautiful. I think that calm water right there is like beautiful. See, the log had fallen and they had to cut that to get it out of the way. It's kind of interesting. I mean, I guess that happens all the time, but I guess if you lived out here, you'd have to carry a chainsaw with you in your pickup or whatever. Be a handy person. Carry around the right tools. But especially this time of the year, in the fall, winter, weather comes in, the windstorms. You can tell all the leaves have been blowing down from the trees. I've had a couple of big windstorms come through. And, well, we made it back to the car, and whew, that was quite the trek. So it's about 3.5 hours that we spent. But we did go off of trail a lot and down to the river to check it out and stuff. So it was quite the journey. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you in your life, hopefully. And bye for now.
Oh, this is so annoying.
I know, it's okay.
Why are you
That's okay. My friends aren't snowflakes. Yeah. And the F, you dropped the F-bomb too. So I'll probably have to come over